Welcome to Wealthwise, the channel where we share practical tips and advice to help you make better financial decisions. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 common investing mistakes that beginners often make and how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or have been investing for a while, these tips can help you avoid costly mistakes and achieve your financial goals. Number 1. Not having a plan. Not having a plan is one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make. When you're just starting out, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of investing and start making impulsive decisions. However, this can lead to poor returns and unnecessary risk. To avoid this mistake, start by defining your goals and investment time horizon. Determine how much risk you're willing to take on and create an asset allocation strategy that reflects your risk tolerance. Once you have a plan, stick to it and avoid making changes based on short-term market fluctuations. Rebalancing your portfolio periodically can help you stay on track. Number 2. Overreacting to market news. Overreacting to market news is another common mistake that beginners make. The financial news cycle can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. However, making investment decisions based on short-term news can harm your long-term returns. To avoid this mistake, try to ignore the noise and focus on your long-term goals. Don't make investment decisions based on emotions or headlines, but rather on the fundamentals of the companies you're investing in. If you're investing in index funds, focus on the overall trend of the market rather than daily fluctuations. Number 3. Not diversifying. Not diversifying your portfolio is one of the most common mistakes that beginners make. By investing in a diverse range of assets, you can reduce your risk and potentially increase your returns. To avoid this mistake, consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes, and avoid putting too much of your portfolio into a single stock. If you're investing in individual stocks, be sure to research the company thoroughly before investing, and avoid putting too much of your portfolio into a single sector. Number 4. Chasing performance. Chasing performance is a mistake that many beginners make. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot stock or investment trend, but this can be a costly mistake. By the time you hear about a hot investment opportunity, it may already be overpriced. To avoid this mistake, focus on the fundamentals of the companies you're investing in. Look for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage, and a solid growth plan. Avoid investing in companies that are overhyped, have a history of poor performance, or don't align with your investment goals. Number 5. Timing the market. Timing the market is a common mistake that many beginners make. Trying to predict the market is a fool's game, and even professional investors struggle to do it consistently. To avoid this mistake, focus on your long-term goals and stick to your investment plan. Remember that time in the market is more important than timing the market. If you're investing in index funds or ETFs, remember that the market tends to rise over the long term, so don't get too caught up in short-term market fluctuations. So, those are 5 common investing mistakes that beginners should avoid. By having a plan, avoiding emotional decisions, diversifying, avoiding chasing performance, and not trying to time the market, you can set yourself up for long-term success. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.